Good morning. Today is Saturday, September 28th, 2024. Back in the garage. Going to talk about the F100. What's next? I've got two things that I'm going to be working on next as far as major components. The first is this front bumper. This is an aftermarket bumper bought from Dennis Carpenter. There's a problem. You can kind of see it. It's how close it is to the fender, the grill there on the driver's side. Versus the passenger side, it kind of sticks out. It actually sticks out about 3/4 of an inch farther on the passenger side. So I'll go into more detail on that in another video, but I'm taking that bumper off and I'm gonna send it back. Cost about $300. I'll get my money back on that. I'm gonna find an OEM bumper, and it may take a little bit of time to do so, but I'll find an OEM bumper and have it refinished, have it chromed. The other thing, and this is hopefully going to happen on Tuesday, I got myself a pair of mufflers here. These are the Black Widow. They're race Venoms, and they are part number, let's see here, this BW009-C. And you could probably compare these mufflers to another very popular classic American brand. However, this particular muffler is actually made in America. It's actually made in Southern California. So, and it's comparable in cost. So rather than support communism, I'm gonna go with these guys. The other brand, the classic American brand, is made in China. So anyway, the exhaust, as I intend, is gonna come out here in front of the rear wheel. And it's coming off of a pair of Sanderson mid-length headers. You can kind of, sort of see them hiding back there. And you kind of see the collector there. Basically, that's on the driver's side. But basically, come off the collector there and come down, past the cab, and on both sides, one on each side, it'll exit right in front of the rear wheels and the rear axle, I should say, and then go from there. I'm going to keep it a dual exhaust system with an H pipe. Hopefully they're able to fit that in and go from there. So other than that, got a few other things planned, but they're all little things. I'll talk about them in another video, but those are the two main things going on today. Thanks for watching.